In most places around the world, snakes are creatures people fear. But deep in southeastern Nigeria, there are communities where a particular snake is not feared at all. Instead, it is respected, protected, and even honored. In parts of Anambra State, especially in towns like Ogidi, Nkpor, and Obosi, the royal python is believed to be sacred. But why would an entire community protect a snake? To understand this mystery, we must go back many generations. Long ago, the people of the Idemili area believed their land was protected by powerful spiritual forces. One of the most respected was the water spirit known as Nne Nmiri. According to tradition, this spirit sometimes appeared in the form of a python. Because of this belief, the snake became known as Eke Idemili, the sacred python of the land. The people believed the python was a messenger of the spirit world and a guardian of their community. Over time, a strict rule was passed from generation to generation. No one must harm the sacred python. If a python appeared in someone's home, it was not chased away. Instead, it was gently guided back to the forest. The people believed the snake would never harm those who respected the traditions of the land. Not far from these communities lies a mysterious place known as the Ogbunike Caves, located in the town of Ogbunike. For centuries, these caves have been considered a spiritual place. Many believe they are connected to ancient forces that protect the land. Elders say that pythons are often seen around the caves, moving quietly through the forest as if guarding the sacred site. In these communities, killing a python is one of the greatest taboos. If someone accidentally kills one, the community must perform special rituals. The snake is treated with honor, almost like a human. In towns like Nkpor, the person responsible must provide a coffin and burial materials for the snake. A funeral ceremony is performed to restore peace between the community and the spiritual world. To outsiders, this tradition may seem unusual, but for the people of Idemili and the surrounding communities, the sacred python represents something deeper. It is a symbol of respect for nature, a reminder that humans and the natural world must live in harmony, and a connection to the wisdom of their ancestors. Today, modern life has changed many traditions, but in some villages of Anambra State, the sacred python still moves freely, not as a creature to fear, but as a living symbol of culture, belief, and history. And as long as these traditions remain, the legend of the sacred python of Igbo land will never be forgotten. If you enjoy the story and want more stories like this, subscribe to the channel at Africa Folktales, Movies and Storytelling.